Hey there, tech-savvy friends. If you're dealing with the Wells Fargo app acting up in 2025 and it's got you pulling your hair out, don't worry, I've got your back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to fix it quickly and get back to managing your finances without any hassle. Whether it's crashing, freezing, or just not loading, these steps are designed to troubleshoot common issues step by step. First things first, let's start with the basics. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data signal is often the culprit. Make sure you're connected to a reliable network and try reopening the app. If that doesn't do the trick, go ahead and restart the Wells Fargo app itself. Sometimes, a simple force quit and relaunch can clear temporary glitches. Next up, ensure your app is up to date. Head over to your device's App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and check for any available updates for the Wells Fargo app. Developers release fixes all the time, especially in 2025, so installing the latest version could solve your problems. If you're still facing issues, try clearing the app's cache and data. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Wells Fargo, Storage, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. For iPhone users, you might need to offload the app or delete and reinstall it. Remember, clearing data will log you out, so have your login details handy. Another key step is to restart your device. This can refresh your phone or tablet and resolve any underlying software conflicts. Once it's back on, launch the app again and see if things are smoother. If none of these work, double-check your device's compatibility with the Wells Fargo app requirements for 2025. Make sure your operating system is updated to the latest version, as older ones might not support the app properly. Finally, if you're still stuck, it's time to reach out to Wells Fargo support. They have a dedicated help line and online chat options where you can explain your issue for personalized assistance. There you have it, easy steps to get your Wells Fargo app running again. Give these a shot, and if they help, drop a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Remember, staying proactive with updates and maintenance keeps your banking smooth. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.